Welcome back to my channel. Once again, talking with my hands all of the time. Today I'm gonna do another what I eat in a day. Healthy meals that are simple, easy, full of flavor. Now, I never do this, but it would really mean a lot if you hit like down below. You know, with the new YouTube algorithm, it really helps us when you like the video. It helps push the video out there. You know, sometimes people say, oh, I don't see your videos. They don't pop up. I don't see them in my subscription boxes. So if you hit like, there's more of a chance that you will get my videos on your YouTube page if you want to. And yeah, without further ado, let's rewind back to the early morning to see what I had for breakfast. Look at this beauty. So I just put this together. This is from Article. It's really, really good quality. I don't know, I can just feel the difference. I'm excited. Now you can actually, let me show you from far. To be honest, I did think it was gonna be wider. I mean, it's a perfect size. This black stool is not going there. This black stool is for my kitchen counter bar. So I wanna buy two stools or one stool, kind of like a more minimal metal type of stool. So it looks more sleek. You can actually even like pull this back here in the center of this area and then have like, you know, two stools. But since it's just me right now, I kind of like it like this. And I want to put wall art right there, like a portrait up here or something, so I can kind of, won't be too bare. I was looking at the Article website. This is the table. So you can also have it like that. I love decor. I don't know if you guys can tell. It's like exciting. Ooh, I like those plates.
Everyone's lining up to see it. There must be something about the features. You'll find the beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her.
First bite. All right. Oh yeah, I wanted something sweet. Typically I eat savory breakfast. I don't know if it's, I prefer, yeah, like salty. But today I was craving this, and this is definitely going to fill me up for a good portion of the day. I ate that so fast. What about you? Do you prefer savory? That's not good. Savory or sweet when it comes to breakfast? Here's my lunch. Boom, boom, boom. So they only had this small rice paper, but that was a fail. Luckily I had 3 leftover of the bigger rice wraps. Gonna dip it in the sauce. This sauce is amazing. Not trying to be dramatic here, but these taste better than some restaurants I've been to. Leftover shrimp. Look at this beauty. Some people say that it tastes like soap to them. I love cilantro, like in my tacos. I'm going to a meeting in 10 minutes, so I have to hurry the fuck up. ¿Qué estás cocinando? More shrimp. Más. I like the bread. Oh my god. Can you see me? Yes, you can. Hello. Okay, it's finally. What do you mean finally? Pretty late dinner, but this is a realistic what I eat in a day. I was doing some errands earlier, did some work, had a meeting, and then I went to my parents' house, as you saw, and my mom had made ceviche, probably like top 3 favorite dishes. I love shrimp. It's funny because I had 2 shrimp meals today actually. That was not even planned. I could not say no. I had 2 tostadas and a shrimp taco actually. So I'm just a bit hungry and I do want to get enough protein today. So I'm going to have a piece of chicken. I'm going to add some garlic, salt, pepper in the air fryer. I'm also going to air fry a little bit of Brussels sprouts with maybe a little honey glaze and red pepper flakes and red pepper flakes. I added a little bit of this garlic paste. It's just easy, it works. Some pepper. I actually add this in so many meals. This is vegan Parmesan cheese. I'm not vegan, I'd love to be vegan, but this tastes just like Parmesan cheese, except it's way better, not only because it's dairy free, but it only has 20 calories for 2 teaspoons, and it only has like 1 gram of fat per 2 teaspoons. It just melts beautifully and adds this really good flavor to the chicken. Cooked to perfection. Super random, but lately I've been on a reading kick since Christmas. I have read 3 books since Christmas, which is very unlike me. I don't know, I've never finished books that fast. Kind of gotten over the self-development books. I have so many of those, and I've lately been into novels and thrillers, and well, I read one. It's kind of like a thriller romance. I don't know if you guys like books, but this is a good thriller. I finished this in 2 days, right after Christmas. I couldn't put this down. It is a thriller. I would probably reread this later on. It was amazing. I talked about this a little bit on my podcast. I think they are making this into a movie, but I feel like this would be a great movie because it's one of those stories that has a plot twist that you did not see coming. Usually I'm pretty good with that, but I did not see that plot twist. Yeah, it's getting a lot of traction. If you're interested in psychological thrillers, I recommend this. Look it up on Amazon for the synopsis. I feel like I'm really terrible at explaining stuff like this because I don't want to spoil it with my explanation of the plot. Just look it up. It's really good. Yeah, that pretty much concludes today's video. I'm gonna end it off here. Just relax, clean up a little bit, and then head to bed, actually. But yeah, take care. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.